Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix, your connection is not secure error in Firefox. Your connection is not secure error displayed on browser. Type about command config. Click I accept the risk. Type root in search. Right-click, Security Enterprise Routes enabled. Click Toggle to change value to true. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.